Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get a refund on App Store subscription or purchases. For example, if you have recently bought a subscription or purchases on App Store and if you do not want to get that and you want a refund for that subscription or App Store purchases, then how you can do that get that refund on the App Store from the Apple. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check for that App Store purchases or subscription. Before this, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply go to settings here. And after that, you have to go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply open the App Store here. So here you have to first of all check for your App Store purchases and subscription. And here you have to simply go to purchase history and you have to check which kind of subscription or purchases you want to get a refund for. So you can simply check for that. Now if you want to get a refund, then there is option available that you have simply request for that refund or App Store purchases. For this, you have to simply open Safari or any kind of browser you have. So here you have to simply search for Apple report a problem. So you have to simply search for that. As you click on that, the first thing you will get is that request a refund for apps or content that you bought from the Apple. So you have to simply click on that. So here they will tell you how you can get that refund. So first of all, you have to simply sign into reportaproblemapple.com, and after that you have to simply click on click or I would like to and you have to simply click on request a fund, and after that you have to select tell us more. And if you want to get that refund, then you can simply select that refund option, and moreover there is also option available for the cancel subscription. So after you have click on that next button and you have submitted that request, then you have to simply wait for 24 to 48 hours so that you can get an update on your request. After that, you can simply check the status of your refund request. So if it is approved, then that refund will be available to that payment method you have connected to that payment method. So you have on the Apple Store. So then the next thing, you can simply find the receipt. If the receipt for a member of your family organizer, you can still request a refund on the reportapple.com. So you can simply find all the detail about that in this article. So hope you have liked this. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.